Good morning, so welcome at the NAB. So that is the T-Motion booth. Thank you for coming for Film TV Video, really to come over and visiting this booth with all the innovations. So let's go and have a tour. So today we are presenting first the Arcam, the system, which is a TeleGlide, which is moving with the integrated track. So you can see on the floor that everything is disappearing and then the system is running. What is the beauty of the system is that we have a Televator, which is making a very, very high, very up and down stabilization system, which is really important to get this down. So you can see it's super clean. We have a very clean area that I can walk to, so I can pass through without having any problem as a guest. So that's very important. That is the first product. Second product is going to be the OmniGlide. So the OmniGlide is a rover. This rover do have some wheels, but not wheels, it's spheric balls. The spheric balls are moving in all the directions. So as you can see, the system is fully motion control, and then we are getting a pan and tilt head, and then we can move with the Televator together with the equipment, so up and down, and this is great because you have the moving platform, and this is in all the directions going on. The beauty of this model, we are full RF, so we have no wires at all, and it's with the low latency, full RF with this equipment. So we are looking now to the telescope. The telescope is using the same type of rover, and then you can see there is some detections on LiDAR that I haven't seen before. So this LiDAR is avoiding collision altogether between the different rover and robots. This Jeep can be quite high and be also remotely controlled. So that is very, very nice movement that could be operated with this equipment. And as you can see, a little bit more for larger studios. And then we have our talent candies that we can following, and we have the airframe possibilities, so we reframe with the tracking with this equipment very nicely. So that's what we are covering with this equipment as well. Now we are looking about the Arcam. The Arcam is a robotic arm, so it's really an arm with 6 axes, getting a prompter, but we have augmented reality tracking. So we have mechanical tracking that we are providing directly to the engines 3D. With the Formula One, this is a NASA Artemis that we're providing. That's super cool. We did some teleportation with this robot on different studios applications, that we have 2 robots together which are dancing on the same possibilities with this equipment. So you can have your athlete on the sport event far away on green screen, and then we are teleporting him or her directly in the studio, which is super nice that we have the impression they are all together. But the star of the event is not me, it's Korean. The Korean is a new controller. This is really what is making the choreography of all the equipment I show you. We have some AI assistance capacity for the operators, multi-control of different devices, and this is also new because we are getting the XFly, which is a cable cam systems, which is running on all the equipment over the stadiums and in the studios, and this is flying in 3 dimensions altogether. And this XFly is great, and as you can see, gyro stabilized, augmented reality tracking, and because of the Korean solution, we can also have the link together with EVS, Cerebrum and Neuron, and all the other solutions of EVS are linked to this equipment, which is super cool because then we have the full environment 360 degrees together. So that is the end of the tour of T-Motion at the NAB. We are so happy about Film TV Video to show on all this news live now from NAB and getting all this beautiful equipment. So please come and see us, visit us, contact us. We will make really a nice event for you whenever you want.